Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can request shows on Netflix. So the first thing that you can do is open the netflix.com on your browser and then just click on your profiles in here and go to the help center. And in here you can just scroll down to explore the topics until you find this request TV shows or movies option. So just tap on this. Okay, so you can suggest or request TV shows or movies to available on Netflix. So you can just add up to 3 title suggestions in here. For example, here I'm going to add one as example. Okay, I'm going to add the second title in here. For example, after you enter the titles, you can just click on the submit suggestion. So after you submit a request, you can just sit back and relax because Netflix have received your feedback, but you can just be patient to they won't respond you, but they will. Okay, so after you submit, there will be this response. So another company has exclusive right. Okay, for example, I enter Game of Thrones before, so Netflix cannot show the series because it is an HBO original series. But the if the titles is not have any copyright on in other channels, it will maybe one day be available on Netflix. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe or click on the thing.